100% pure snake oil by Gadget Man. It's the real deal.
Hi, Ron. This is Jonathan Davis, and I have a GMC 2002 GMC Sierra 4x4. It's with the 6-liter, and after getting the snake oil, it used to have a bad lifter tick on the cold start, and after getting the snake oil in the engine, the lifter tick started to slowly go away over the weeks and kept improving until now it's completely gone, and it just runs really smooth and quietly, and I'm really grateful and look forward to using more of your products. Thank you.
Order yours today at snakeoil.wtf. You'll be glad you did.